Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee for sale. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Silver accents throughout, as well as that dark wood grain trim. Sunroof in both front and rear. Blind spot assist. And come around to the back of the vehicle. Got Jeep and 4x4 badging in the rear. And a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. And press the button to close. Taking a look at our rear seats next. Have a look at the sunroof. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And looking at the driver's side, we do have memory seats. Driver door controls, driver seat controls with lumbar support, driver seat, steering wheel. Now mileage is currently at 1,161, and we have a push button ignition. And you'll see our touchscreen display here. Climate controls, heated seats, ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. Radio, backup camera, as well as navigation. Below that, we've got additional climate controls, shifter, and various traction modes here as well. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.